What if a window stopped being just an opening and became a space where you can live? Not a window to look through, but a window you can step into. That is the idea behind the house vision, designed by Jun Igarashi in Kyoto, Japan. But this house is not just about windows, it is about what happens between spaces. Right at the entrance, you notice something is different. There is a curtain, but it doesn't exactly close off a room. It doesn't create a bedroom, nor does it fully separate spaces. It seems to suggest a boundary rather than actually define one. And that already reveals one of the central ideas of the house vision. Here, spaces are not fully defined. They are simply suggested. The first area works almost like an open social space, an arrival zone that feels simple, but doesn't behave like a conventional living room. From that point on, the house begins to fragment. Instead of a continuous open space, the design is organized as a sequence of smaller volumes, interconnected with each other. Each part of the house feels almost independent, and what's most interesting is how you reach them. To access some of these areas, like the kitchen, bedroom, or even the bathroom, you don't just walk straight through. You have to go up, go down, change levels. The house is organized vertically through small shifts in height, as if each function sits on its own platform. This creates a constant sense of discovery. You never see the house at once. Each space reveals itself gradually, almost like a sequence of scenes, and this completely changes how everyday life is experienced. Instead of moving through a continuous space, you move through the house as if you are exploring it. Each step reveals something new. The interior surfaces are built with wood panels, often simple sheets like OSB, leaving the raw texture fully exposed. Nothing is hidden, nothing is overly refined. The structure is visible, the joints are visible. Everything contributes to a feeling of honest construction, almost rough, yet extremely precise. This choice also brings the house closer to something experimental, almost like a prototype, a space designed to test new ways of living, and that makes sense. But perhaps the most important design gesture lies in the openings themselves. The windows are no longer just flat surfaces. They gain depth. They become inhabitable spaces. Small volumes that project outward from the house, creating areas where you can sit, lie down, observe, or simply exist at that boundary between inside and outside. These spaces function almost like extensions of the furniture, but at the same time, they are part of the architecture itself. And this completely blurs that distinction. What is structure? What is furniture? Here, that difference almost disappears. The house vision was not conceived only as a traditional residence. It is part of a broader investigation into the future of living, into how spaces can connect, separate, and recombine. In the end, what this house proposes is not a new form, but a new way of moving through space, an architecture made of fragments, of levels, of transitions, and above all, of boundaries that stop being barriers and become places where life happens.